Hey, what's guys? I'm back on the video. Today we're playing Minecraft Pocket Edition, but we're playing Minecraft Pocket Edition, but it is a tutorial video where I'm going to show you guys how you can do /fill command or world edit in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So it is known as fill command because there's no actually world edit in Minecraft Pocket Edition unless you download the mode. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, first of all, to do world edit, like when you're challenging your friend, family, or any other persons, then you are challenging to a build, like building a house, building a bunker, or something like that. So you want to put a wall, and the floor should be different um, different things. So to put a wall, put a wall. So what you have to do, you have to put your coordinates on, like so, as you can see at the left on the top of my screen. So you have to remember this coordinates and go how many blocks you want to go. And when you want to go like 10 blocks or something like that, so what you have to do is you have to fly up. I'm gonna give it 25 blocks. Then what you have to do is copy the coordinates of that. So it is 0, 25, 73. So when you do that, you are you are kind of done. So yeah, so then you have to go to chat, type /fill, type the coordinates 0, 4, 60. Then you have to type 0, 25. I'm typing my coordinates. You can type your coordinates. It doesn't have to be my coordinates. It has to be what your coordinates is in your world. So 73. Then type any blocks you want. I'm gonna do bedrock, for example. Okay, I think it should be okay. Okay, does it look good? I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, that's how you do the wall. And yeah, now time for the floor. First of all, go to a corner. It is not corner, the end. Go to the end of the wall and go corner ways until you go like this, until you reach the other corner. Okay, I think it is same. Okay, oops, guys, I think I have to do again because I forgot to remember the coordinates. Okay, it is -1, 4, 73. Then go like this. Is it okay? Okay, it is alright. So then it is 15, -15, 4, 60. Then what you have to do is go to type again. Wait, why is it not showing that thing? Sorry guys for that. Okay, finally it is alright. So yeah, you have to type /fill -1. Okay, you have to give that down block, not the block you remember. Like mine was 4. You have to give it 3. 73. Okay. Then -15, 4, 60. Okay, you're done, almost done. So you have to give bedrock, any block you want to give. Then look, wait, oops, I put 4. Okay, that's why it didn't work. If you put 4 4 4, it will gonna do the top layer. Okay, to do the down layer, I mean this layer, this grass layer, you have to put 3 at the middle of the number. So did you guys understand? It is a pretty easy one. You can do it this side as well if you want to. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, click on the subscribe button and hit the smash hit the like button. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.